let's try this here thing again. Because the first one, there was a mistake. Welcome to another video production by the famous actor Mr. Corriggio and Radar. Okay, so friends, you have created your own survey. You've gone around the class. You've gotten your information. This is cool. We're going to take it a step further. Now that you have sorted all this lovely information, right, you've done your count if, what you want to do is we want to create a chart out of it. So we're going to go to, I'm going to try it two ways. We're just going to go to Insert Chart. And hopefully it will automatically kind of figure out what we've done. Nope. So here's the deal. It didn't. I'm going to delete that one. Now I'm not starting this one over. Before you do that, left press and hold, right, on your categories. So cat, fish, bird, dog. Then get your data or data. Then you go up to Insert Chart. And it's going to try and help us to pick a chart that makes sense to it. So it's got, or to Google, based on what we've done. So this is pretty cool. Look, it's got our categories. It's got cat, fish, bird, dog. And we can see that cat, according to our survey information, is the most popular animal according to our survey. Radar agrees. If you would like to check out other charts, come over here and it will give you options to work with. Some will make your information clear, some definitely will not. So you can play around that and see what happens. And if you don't like what you get, ew, gross, you can go back to what you had. Okay? In this case, I'm going to keep my column chart up here. It's doing a great job, so I close this. I click on it to make it blue. Hold on, I forgot to get rid of this. Oops. Yeah. Now I'm ready. Okay. Now I come back here. I click on this to make it blue. I go to the three dots and I do Move to Own Sheet. And when I do that, watch down here. We're going to get a new tab. Ta-da! See how it says Chart 3? Yours might say Chart 2, but it's fine. You've got the chart. You've got the information. Now we're going to use it. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to go back to your drive, and the way you do that is plus waffle drive. Now, my drive already has tons of stuff in it, okay, because it just does. You guys probably do not have this much. If you have a STEM folder in here, so it would say STEM, do not call your folders delete me. I do that so I know I don't need it. Alright, if you need a folder, click on New, come to Folder, right? You click on it, then name it, then press Enter. I'm not going to do that because I know where mine is going. Since I've already got the folder I need, I don't need a new one. I need to go to my Google slides for kids. So here we go. Carico, 2 left clicks. Spinny, spinny, wait. Going down to Google. It just beeped. I wonder if that's a timer. Spinny, spinny, wait. Oh, Google. Google, 2 left clicks. Now, I'm going to do a new sheet for you guys. Yeah, I'll put it in Google. I'm sorry, Slides. Slides is different. Okay, so here we go. I need a new slide. I'm in my folder. I'm in my drive, Carico, Google Slides for kids. Now I want to put a Google Slides in here. So I click, left click, Google Slides, and it gives me a new slides. I'm going to come up here to Untitled, maybe. Let's see what happens. Wait. Themes has popped up. That's what I was looking for. You can select the theme that you like, but make sure that it makes sense for you. Like if it hides your information, it's not really going to help you. So there's this one. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I like it. Or there's this one. Ooh, that's cool. I like it. So I am going to come over here. I double click in the title to put my title. And I'm going to do my class information. Subtitle. I surveyed my class and this is what I found. I surveyed. Made a mistake. See how it's red? I right click, come up to surveyed my class, and this is what I found out. Alright, now I need another slide where I can put my information. So I come up here. If I click on this little, what's this called? New slide with layout. It gives me the option to pick instead of doing just a new slide. Because watch, if I do new slide, I just get this. It's like, which is fine. I'm going to stick with it for now. No, I'm not. Right click, delete. Little triangle. Now I got to choose what I want. Here's what I want. I want this one with a title only. See it? So I click and I got it. Now, my survey information was about, I go back to my sheet, pets, right? So I'm going to go back to I'm going to drag this one over. Left press and hold. I'm dragging the tab over. See it? So it's closer to my information. And when I let go, it'll stay there. Because I like to be able to flip between sheet and slide. Sheet and slide. Not have to go all the way down here. Alright, in my survey, it says I did pets. So I'm going to have to come up with a title. Pets in our class. Okay. Now, the next step. I need to insert my chart. So here's what I do. I go back to chart 3. I copy chart. I go back to my slides. I do insert. Whoops, sorry. Edit, paste. I need to paste because I copied. Paste. I'm going to link it to the spreadsheet. Paste. Check it out. It put our chart in here. My chart in here. Now, it's way too wide for me, so I drag it over. Makes it much smaller. Okay. Now, I also want to tell people what happened. So over here, I'm going to add a text box, which is this one right here. I left press and hold, drag down. And now I can type whatever I want. After surveying our class, comma, I found out that the most popular pet was, and you can give us all sorts of information. I'm going to stop right there. Now, if I want to see what it looks like, I press present, and I do because I can't see it. And if we look, I need, my first title is cat. So to exit that, so go back so I can edit it, I go to exit. Now I'm back here. My first column is a cat. I'm going to show you something else. If you want to insert a picture, insert, image, search the web. Cat. Radar approves. Ooh, look at that one. Let's do that one. I make it blue. I click insert. It is way too large. And I also want to crop some of this empty space out over here. So what I can do, where'd my cropping tools go? Nope. I can drag it a little bit. If I double click maybe. Oh yeah, okay, that's what I do. Double click. See, I got this black box in here. Now what I can do is I can cut out, it's called cropping, some of the stuff I don't want. Like I'm going to come in pretty close. You got to grab the black bars, right? Because I really just want the cat's face. Oops. Double bars. Oops. Yeah, no, that took it. Good. And I'm good. So at this point, I just click over here. And I've just changed that image. Still too large. In this case, I'm pressing and holding shift. Now when I drag, it keeps the picture or the proportions the same size. So I made a little kitty. Little kitty. And if I want to, I can drag my little kitty. It's still too large. right here. Okay, I could do the same thing for whatever this is. I can't see it, so I go to present, fish, and I'm going to exit this one. I could go back and insert a picture of a fish, image, search web, fish. Ooh, I kind of like that one. Nope, going with the blue tuna. Insert. Too large. Double click. Can edit. Crop gets smaller. Good. Crop gets smaller. Crop get smaller. Crop get smaller. Now I click out the blue. Okay, still too large. Shift, drag. It keeps the proportions the same size. And I make it a tiny fish. Now, I can also rotate it. Grab that handle up top. I think that's called a handle. Right, and turn it sideways so people can see that that's a fish. Radar's like, I want to eat the fish. And I'm like, no, because it's part of our graph. But I like the fish. No, Radar, you can't eat the fish. Okay, so there you go. Now you can create your own presentation about my class information.